Back when the church bells rang on Sunday, down that dusty old dirt road, Mama carried her worn-out Bible. Daddy bowed beneath the load. Little children filled the benches. Grandma sang Amazing Grace, and you could feel the power of heaven resting softly on that place. Oh, I miss those old-time meetings when the saints would pray all night, when the Spirit filled the church house and the tears began to rise. Voices echoed through the mountains as the old hymns filled the air. Lord, take me back to church the way it was when revival still lived there. Back before the world grew colder, back before our hearts grew weak, folks would shout around the altar just to hear the preacher speak. Neighbors gathered close together. Every soul was known by name, and the fear of God among us burned like an everlasting flame. Oh, I miss those old-time meetings when the saints would pray all night, when the Spirit filled the church house and the tears began to rise. Voices echoed through the mountains as the old hymns filled the air. Lord, take me back to church the way it was when revival still lived there. Now the church house sits so quiet, many pews are empty now, but I still believe revival can come falling somehow. Lord, send down your holy fire, wake your sleeping children, Lord. Let us hear those old-time praises echo through these hills once more. Oh,